Hold on, little cowgirl. Hold on. Woo-hoo. Giddy up. Giddy up, little cowgirl. Giddy up. I don't think I have to ride 7 miles when I have you on my leg. I think then I only need to do a mile. And it's the same workout. There, say hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. Was that your exercise for the day, Audrey?
Was that your exercise for the day? Mommy wants to know.
Oh, you have to switch to the other leg now?
Yeah. That leg's tired. We need a different leg. Okay, here you go. Tell Mommy if this is your exercise for the day. Can you see her?
Is this my exercise for the day?
Looks like it.